and welcome to this heart meditation for love and gratitude. Start by taking comfortable position lying on your back. Make sure that your shoulders are relaxed. Your whole body is relaxed. And once you have found your position, you can close your eyes. And focus on your breath. How it feels to breathe today. How your breath is moving your body. And then start to bring your inhalations and exhalations equal in length. For instance, you can count to 3 when you are inhaling, and then also count to 3 when you are exhaling. Filling your lungs completely and emptying them completely. And once you have found this rhythm of your breath, we are adding one more thing. So we are counting to 3 on the inhalation, we are counting to 3 on the exhalation, and then we are pausing, counting to 3. Then bring your awareness to the area of your heart and imagine inhaling straight to your heart and also exhaling straight from your heart. And continue like this, remembering the breathing pattern. Then you can think about someone or something that you are grateful for. And feel how it feels in your heart, the gratitude, the love toward this person, or maybe an animal. Now still feel the feelings of love and gratitude, breathing straight to your heart, and then think about someone that you have kind of challenging relationship with, or maybe it's a challenging situation, and let the love and gratitude, the warmness spread in your heart as you were doing before. Let the love and gratitude spread over this challenging relationship or situation. And then keep this warmness in your heart and start thinking about yourself, and let the gratitude and love spread toward yourself as you are still breathing into your heart, inhaling and exhaling through your heart. And let the warm feelings, gratitude and love stay in your heart. And then you can slowly return to your normal breath. Just briefly observing how you feel at this point. Then maybe slowly start to bring a little bit of movement into your body. And once you are ready, you can come up to seated, open your eyes and continue on with the day. Namaste.